Artificial intelligence-based smart power systems leverage advanced technologies and algorithms to optimize and manage the generation, distribution, and consumption of electrical power. These systems aim to improve efficiency, reliability, and sustainability in the power sector. Here are some key components and features of AI-based smart power systems. Data collection and monitoring. Smart power systems gather real-time data from various sources, including power generation units, smart meters, sensors, and weather stations. This data provides insights into energy demand, supply, and grid conditions. Predictive analytics. AI algorithms analyze historical and real-time data to predict energy consumption patterns, equipment failure, and grid stability issues. These predictions help utilities and grid operators optimize power generation and distribution, prevent outages, and plan maintenance activities. Load management and demand response. AI-based systems enable load management by analyzing energy consumption patterns and adjusting loads to optimize energy usage. They also facilitate demand response programs, where consumers can adjust their energy usage in response to price signals or grid conditions. Renewable energy integration. With the increasing penetration of renewable energy sources like solar and wind, AI-based systems help integrate these intermittent sources into the grid more effectively. AI algorithms can forecast renewable energy availability, optimize power dispatch, and balance supply and demand. Fault detection and self-healing. AI algorithms can detect faults and anomalies in power systems, such as equipment failures or grid disturbances. They can also autonomously initiate corrective actions, such as rerouting power flows or isolating faulty sections, to minimize the impact on overall system performance. Energy storage optimization. AI-based systems optimize the operation of energy storage systems, such as batteries, to store excess energy during low-demand periods and release it during peak demand. This helps balance the grid and maximize the utilization of renewable energy resources. Cybersecurity and resilience. As power systems become more interconnected, AI-based solutions play a crucial role in enhancing cybersecurity. They can detect and mitigate cyber threats, monitor network traffic, and ensure the integrity and confidentiality of data. Energy efficiency and conservation. AI algorithms can identify opportunities for energy efficiency improvements and suggest measures to reduce energy consumption. This includes optimizing building energy management systems, recommending energy-efficient equipment, and providing personalized energy consumption feedback to consumers. Overall, AI-based smart power systems leverage the power of data analytics, machine learning, and automation to transform the traditional power infrastructure into a more intelligent, resilient, and sustainable energy ecosystem. These systems help optimize power generation and distribution, reduce costs, enhance reliability, and facilitate the integration of renewable energy sources.